Taking Alex for dinner at Cracker Barrel. So this comes free with your Cracker Barrel meal. So we got some biscuits and some cornbread muffins here, and we got some jelly and butter here. You want to try it, Alex?
Yep.
Alright.
We'll try the biscuit first.
You want to try the biscuit first? Thank you. Appreciate that.
Thank you. Oh. Huh. There we go. Alright. Give them a second.
Sure.
Give us 1 second. There we go. Oh, I got it. I know it. That is good.
How'd you like it? You want to try the cornbread?
No. That's all right. Just try it.
Nah. How's that?
That sweet and starchy taste.
Sweet and starchy?
Oh yeah, it's good.
That's good.
Really good.
Cool. Alright, so they have early dinner deals here. And this shows like smaller portions at lower prices on these homestyle favorites. Starting at $8.99, so you get chicken and dumplings, meatloaf, U.S. farm raised catfish, fried homestyle chicken, smoky southern grilled chicken, chicken pot pie, steak tips dinner. Available Monday through Friday from 4 to 6, it looks like. They have some barrel bites here. Loaded hash brown, casserole tots, country fried pickles, white cheddar cheese bites, biscuit beignets. And they have desserts, double chocolate fudge Coca-Cola cake. That's interesting. Biscuit beignets and peach cobbler.
And we have wait, no, you're right. I thought you said apple cobbler.
Oh, okay. No. That's okay. Not a problem. That's okay. Mimosas and more. Granny Smith apple mimosa, peach, strawberry, orange, Bloody Marys, crafted coffee, French toast latte, caramel, vanilla, mocha. Of course, they have some wine here. Ice cold beer. The front of it here. Oh, they got new fall favorites here. Granny Smith apple tea, mimosa apple cobbler there. Already got that, so see what's on the back here. So here's the $5 take-home meals. So it says order any entree in the restaurant and add a take-home favorite for just $5, freshly prepared and served. Chilled to warm at home today or tomorrow. So you can get a new signature fried apple French toast bake, smoky southern grilled chicken, mashed potatoes, fried homestyle chicken, mac and cheese, and meatloaf mac and cheese. That's actually not a bad deal, you know. You might actually look into that. And then, of course, they do, family dinners here. Serves 10. So here you can join the Cracker Barrel Rewards and enjoy a barrel bite on them. Join the Cracker Barrel Rewards, and I actually got a free welcome reward here, so you can enjoy a barrel bite on the house. So we're going to use that, and I did my 3 free play spins, and I only got 3 pegs here, but the more pegs you get, the more rewards that you get, as you can see here. Here's another menu they have here called the Breakfast Craves One Dish. Right here. They got some new fall picks here. Now that looks really good. The signature fried apple French toast bake. I bet that's really good. And then we got some on the back here. Fall for hash browns. Hash brown casserole, shepherd's pie. We got the Cracker Barrel menu here. It shows the lunch and the dinner here. Let's see what's on the back. So we got this on the back. This is the weekday lunch features, Monday through Friday. You can see right here. You got the salads and sandwiches right here. And you got the breakfast all day right here. And that's my favorite meal of the day is breakfast. I love breakfast. Yeah, I've had their French toast here before, and it is delicious. But honestly, my opinion is to come here during lunch. That's the best time to come, probably. All right, here's the eat early dinner deals right here. I think I already got that on another little brochure. And here's the beverages right here. I think I got those already as well on another brochure. And here's the take-home meals, and that's a good deal, a really good deal, the take-home meals. And see what else they got here. Home-cooked classics here. They got hamburgers, grilled chicken, southern suppers right here. They got New York strip steak, country fried shrimp. And here's some vegetables and sides here. Here's some country sides right here. Those are not extra. You can see right here. And then here's the other page here. Signature fried chicken, Cracker Barrel samplers right here. And you can get the menu too on the app as well, or their website. You don't have to actually have this menu here. And here's the barrel bites right here. And Alex wanted the white cheddar cheese bites. That's what he got for free for us signing up in the app. Here's the daily dish by the weekday. So for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday would be a good one. I love turkey and dressing. And then Friday they have a fish fry, it looks like you can have. And Saturday, southern barbecue ribs. That looks really good. And a Sunday pot roast. So Alex, this is what he had. He had the southern fried chicken, and we got a water for him. I told him I'd get him a drink at Racetrack, for $1. So that saved us probably $3 and something, probably. I don't know. But yep, that's the menu. So here's our free cheese bites here. And we could have ordered something else. There were a couple other options, but this is what Alex wanted. So you want to try it?
Yep.
See what you think. How is it?
Cheesy.
You like it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and that was free with joining the app there. So good stuff. Okay, Alex got his dinner here, so explain to me what you got here.
I got 4 pieces of Kentucky Fried Chicken. Well, not Kentucky Fried Chicken, just regular old country chicken.
Country chicken, we're at Cracker Barrel, right?
Yeah. And then steak fries.
Okay, steak fries.
Buffalo sauce and honey mustard.
Okay.
And
that's a hash brown, I think.
Hash brown casserole, yeah.
Yeah, hash brown casserole.
Yep.
All right, you ready to try it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try the casserole first. I've never had this before, so let's see how it tastes.
Yeah, it's got potatoes in it.
It's good.
All right.
I usually don't like casserole. That's good.
All right. You want to try a fry? Well, here's some ketchup if you need it too.
Nah, I'm gonna try it with the buffalo sauce.
Oh, okay. What's good about their fries, they're thick. They're thick cut fries. They're not skinny fries or anything like that. You like that buffalo sauce? All right.
Really good.
All right, you want to try some of that chicken? Some of that chicken leg. Yeah, it's got bones in it, so
I know.
be careful. So what all did you get here? You got a wing, it looks like, and you got a chicken leg, and you
Breast,
get
two
and a
breasts.
breast. 2 breasts, okay. All right. So how's their fried chicken?
Good, crunchy.
Let's see the inside of that. Oh, okay. Yeah, that looks really good. Okay. How's that chicken breast, Alex?
Good.
That's my favorite thing, is chicken breast. So we got the dine-in area here. And what's so nice about Cracker Barrel is they always have like old stuff. You know, it actually comes from a warehouse. It actually used to belong to people. I actually knew somebody, it was a manager of Cracker Barrel one time. But yeah, these were real people here. And they were somebody's family, and they collect them in a warehouse and they distribute them to different Cracker Barrels. But I just think it's really cool how they have a lot of antique stuff. That's kind of neat. Right here. It's really cool. As you can see. Here's Alex. He's still eating his chicken. Saving the breast for last. Alright. So here's their peg game right here. It's pretty fun to play. Here's some checkers that you can play here. Really cool. Really nice atmosphere. I got the fireplace here. I just love the antique stuff they have. All the old pictures. And all this stuff used to belong to somebody, like I said, you know, it was in a warehouse. So here's a nice open area. Nobody's in here because it's pretty late, of the dining room. They have a gift shop right here. They have some of the neatest stuff in their gift shop. Right now they got their Christmas stuff. Now, my grandmother used to wash her clothes with that, my mom told me. Back in the 30s, 40s. Yeah, really cool. There's an old-timey phone right here. Isn't that cool? That's pretty awesome. Here's an old radio. Cute. You can even get the checker rug game right here. You can buy one of those.